Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 6. We are now dealing with the textbook Packed with the Sun, supplementary reader, chapter number 7, The Wonder Called Sleep. I repeat, the supplementary reader, name of the book is Packed with the Sun, chapter number 7, topic, The Wonder Called Sleep. The wonder called sleep. Yes, let's see what is it. Our body and brain recovers from fatigue after good sleep. We dream while sleeping, but we do not always remember our dreams. During sleep, our heartbeat becomes lower and our temperature and blood pressure go down. So, we all know that sleep is a very common thing so now let's see. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes sleep. Sleep is a state of rest, an unconscious state. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by the day's activity. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. Clear, children? Let's see what happens. So, what happens to a body, okay, and brain? Why do we sleep? Why should we sleep? Every day we sleep, okay, and doctors say one has to go into a good sleep, otherwise you will feel tired in the next day. Lot of things are connected with sleep. Whenever we go to the doctor for any problem, they say, did you sleep? Okay, so why is it sleep so important? Thank you. What is so important in this particular thing? Should it happen at all? Is that activity important at all? Nobody is able to answer why it is so important. But science is able to give you an answer. Okay, let's see what that answer is. Okay. Yes, now let's go to the story. We know enough about what sleep is, though we don't know what exactly causes. What is the purpose? We are tired, we have slept. That is how we always think about sleep. When we are morning full, we work and then we are tired, we go and put our head on the pillow and there we go to sleep. But what is this actually? How does it come? Okay, it is a state of rest. It's a complete rest. What happens? The entire day you have worked and night you take rest, and what happens is entire thing is getting relished. It is becoming fine, and what happens the next day? It is you are feeling fresh and fine. Okay, yes, sleep is a state of rest, an unconscious state. What is a state? It's unconscious state. When we sleep, what happens? Our body recovers from fatigue. What happens? Our body recovers from fatigue. Fatigue means what? All tiredness by the day's activities. And after what happens? A good sleep, the rest that it gives, what we are able to become alert, we are active, we go on to do our that day's activities. Imagine, children, you did not sleep in the night. You were traveling or you were studying for the next day's examination. Other days, how is your eyes? Puff, puffy, they are paining. You feel sleepy, you feel tired. You don't feel like working at all. Is it not? Yes, let's see what are the things. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what happened when we were asleep. We remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. So, what happens is we always feel when we wake up that morning, then we don't know what was the dream. I don't remember. You tell your mother, I don't remember. I dreamt something, but I don't remember. So we don't remember what actually happens. Okay, it is a state of rest. Maybe what we were thinking comes as a sleep or all these things, and nothing seems to have taken. And as if no, nothing. This is not the thing. That is not. But ultimately, you are not able to recollect what has happened in the whole night. Okay, so let me continue with this too. Please repeat after me, children. We know, please repeat, enough about what sleep is. Though we don't know exactly what exactly causes sleep. Sleep is a state of rest, an unconscious rest. When we sleep, our body recovers from fatigue caused by the day's activities. After a good sleep and the rest that it gives, we become alert and active again, ready for the normal activities of the day. When we wake up in the morning, it is not always possible for us to remember what had happened when we were asleep. When we were asleep, yes. We may remember a dream, but the rest of our sleep was a kind of darkness in which nothing seems to have taken place. Okay, children? Yes. So you don't understand what has happened. Okay. The body and the brain recovers after the fatigue of a good sleep. Okay, what happens? Fatigue means what? Tiredness. You are the brim of tired. Then you sleep. Without doing any work, do you sleep? You play a lot. You work a lot. You study. You are too busy. Your body is tired. After all these things, the body requires a sleep. Okay, children? That is what the process is. And sleep helps us to what happens when we are sleeping. There are some changes that happens in our body when we are sleeping. Our breath changes, our blood pressure changes, body temperature changes. There's a lot of things physically happening when we are, which we don't know. None of us know that these things are happening because we are in the deep sleep. We don't know. But we only know that we are dreaming something. But if we recollect the dream, we are not able to get anything. We don't remember anything. You always think, what is the sleep? I don't understand. Yes, that is the truth. It's a puzzle type that we are not able to understand what this sleep is. Okay, children. See, tomorrow when you come to the class, children, I want you all to read the 7th chapter, that is the wonder called sleep. The entire thing has to be read by you at least 2 to 3 times in the evening. Loud reading. Don't close your mouth and read, children. You are not going to improve at all in your vocabulary or this thing. Loud reading helps you gain confidence. You remember this. Okay, so you read louder and you put all the underline the difficult words which you are not able to understand. Take your dictionary, check the meanings of it, write it upon it. Okay, and make sure that you are with your printed copies of the textbook for every class. Otherwise, don't listen, it's no use. Some children are asking me back to the sun book. What is this? It's almost, I have come to the seventh topic and you're asking me about the book. Don't you know that it is available in printed ways? You can take the printout through ncrt.com. Yes, it's available in the e-books are available, and the only thing, it's free of cost also. Can't you take the printout and have it in your hand, children? Okay, even this you can't do it. Okay, don't ask such silly questions. Without book, you will not be there in my class. Is that clear? Yes. Thank you, children. Read and come tomorrow. Okay, bye.